I forget your YouTube account, whatever. She's sucking on like a dildo. Can't you throw it away? Come on, you're not shy on YouTubers. What? I'm zooming up on your face. Let's look at that ear. Let's look at this. Okay, so there's her feet. Let's zoom up in there. Her legs. And her hands. And then a bracelet. And then her sweater. Her hair. Her eyes. Her eyebrows. Her nose. Her mouth. Cheeks. Yeah, that's her. Yeah. Now I'm going to upload this.